Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a Google Sheets shortcut into your desktop. So here, what you need to do first is open the Google Sheets page on your computer, docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and here, shortcut will be created if you click on the three dots icon on your browser. In this case, I'm using the Google Chrome. Then find the save and share option, and here there will be an option to create the shortcut. Click on this, and I'm going to just name it Google Sheets. Okay, after that, click on create. So let's go to my desktop, and you guys can see here the shortcut has been created. So when I want to create a Google Sheets file, I can just click on this. I don't need to go to the browser first. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.